Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, hope you are doing fine and fantastic. So आज हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो है इंस्टाग्राम एंगेजमेंट. आइए देखते हैं कि इंस्टाग्राम एंगेजमेंट है क्या. एंगेजमेंट इज द नेम ऑफ गेम फॉर इंक्रीजिंग योर इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स. एंड अगर आप ये इंस्टाग्राम का अकाउंट देखें तो यू विल इजीली से फाइंड दैट इस इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट के कितने ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स हैं. And follow 10 Instagram handles that your direct competition are with. So go to their profile pages and click on their followers and then engage. What do I mean when I say engage? Engage means these followers obviously like your competition and hence they are following them. So by engaging with them, you will likely gain them as followers on your own page. And for likes, for comments, for direct messages, for tags, and for follows. So how I engage? Number one is I followed hundreds of my competitors' followers. So next I followed hundreds followers only this time. I liked 2, 3 photos on each of the 100 users accounts. And finally I followed 100 followers only this time. I liked 2, 3 photos on each the 100 users account. So plus I commented on at least one of each of the 100 users photo. So here my results are: follow 15% follow back, follow plus likes 23% follow back, and if you follow plus like plus comment, then 35% will be the follow back. And the task of following, liking and commenting on your competitor follow can get monotonous quickly. So find and follow your top 10 to 20 competitors on Instagram. Write 10 canned comments to post on a picture such as love this, awesome, nice. So hire a freelancer for this on Fiverr, Upwork, any other freelance website to log into your Instagram account and continue follow, like and comment on your competitors' followers. So every 7 days, I like to have my freelancer mass unfollow the users they followed. Instagram limit your account following to 7,500 people. So the goal is 35% follow back rate. And engagement rate formula is engagement rate is equal to average number of likes in your posts, 10 posts divided by total followers. And your goal is an engagement rate of 5 to 10% or greater. So focus on engaging with users that like, that comment, share and share other accounts content. And these users will become your mini brand ambassadors, sharing your content for free. And Instagram algorithm favors showing accounts that keep users on their app longer. It means higher engagement Instagram accounts. And engagement ideas and list how to get engagement ideas are: list or how to content with a CTA question is equal to increase engagement with the extra time it takes to read the post. Also test long captions and blogs with post length caption plus increased engagement with the commented answers from users answering the CTA questions. Now, engagement ideas about videos. So analyze accounts managed by a team of pros, household brand names, or celebrities, right? With a full marketing team, typically have a blue check mark on their Instagram account, Instagram username. So see what content gets the most engagement. And look at this example with the attention grabbing content and CTA requests. So intriguing video headlines, great shocking thumbnail image, and longer video, they are the source of increased engagement time. And engagement ideas, so Instagram messages. Instagram allows users to send messages, pictures and videos to other users privately via IM. So this is an amazing way to reach your most engaged fan via personal messages. So this personal touch can lead to all these special fans telling their friends about you, and even screenshotting, sharing your direct message with their following. So consider sending special promotions, fun insider videos, a contest just for your highly active fans, most likes, comments on your post. So invite them to a QA session for your next product launch, and avoid spammy thing in message. Think of them, think of these direct messages as the insider scoop. Post to your best fan. And now, Instagram messaging, you have to go to the top right corner at the pen icon, and then आपके पास एक विंडो ओपन हो जाएगी जिसमें टू आएगा, और टू फाइल में मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को मैसेज करना चाह रहा हूँ तो यहाँ पे मैं अपना मैसेज टाइप कर लूँगा. And engagement ideas regarding location. For location based businesses, always add your location to your Instagram post. Never forget this. And if you added your address to your Instagram business profile, when Instagram user post a photo from your location, means photo of their meal at your restaurant, and select the add location option for Instagram post, Instagram will offer your location name as a tagging option. So when you click the location link on any post, you will see all the photos and videos taken at that location, and this is a very great area to find local users to engage with your post. And add your local business location to Instagram. In order to do that, go to your business account profile page, edit profile, and then under business information click contact option and add your business address. Once you finish updating your business info, tap done to return to your profile again. And hosting giveaways and contests, this is a great idea and engagement idea for your profile as well. You have to host giveaways and contests are a great engagement boost idea once you have following big enough to justify giving away an item and service. Offer cash prizes, assign a unique hashtag, require contest posts to include your hashtag and handle in the caption, give rules in your caption, whether the winner is your choice or if it is based on photo you like, and direct message the winner via Instagram or email. And contest example, if I give you a giveaway on this National Girls Friends Day, a giveaway to die for in honor of National Girl Friday, we are giving you and your BFF the chance to win $1,000 worth of GRL friend denim. Here is how to enter. Number 1, tag your ride or die girlfriend and have them tag you back in the comment below. Follow Revolve plus girlfriend denim. Both you and your BFF must like this photo. So this is the context example. So winner must be 18 plus and responsible for all costs associated with the prize. Entry period is this, and from this to this. No purchases or payment necessary to enter or win. A purchase will not increase your chance of winning. Odds of winning depend on the number of eligible entries received. On one winner will be randomly chosen among all eligible entrants. For persons who follow the steps listed above or enter via the alternate email in method of entry, white where prohibited. So see official rule for more detail. So ये सारा एक मैंने देखा था कि एक कंटेस्ट का टेक्स्ट एग्जांपल किस तरह की होगी. So अगर आपने भी ये कंटेस्ट रन करना है अपनी एंगेजमेंट बढ़ाने के लिए, तो you have to follow this kind of text as well. This is example text. And अगर loop giveaways की हम बात करें, so loop giveaway is a contest on Instagram and incorporate anywhere from 5 to 30 or more brands that are interested in hosting a multi-brand product contest. So in a loop giveaway, all of the brand post the same promotional image to Instagram at the same time, tagging the next person in the loop and leaving detailed instructions for how to participate in the image caption. Alright, so in order to enter the giveaways, participant must like the image, follow the account, and tap the photos to see who is tagged, and click on the tag to find the same image on the next account. Participants have to repeat that same like and follow pattern until they complete the loop and end up in the account they started with. The winner is chosen at random at the end of giveaway period. So loop giveaways are extremely helpful for emerging brands because it allows you to piggyback on other established brands to increase followers. And search loop giveaways on Instagram and see what other brands have done in the past about this. And engagement idea about the giveaways are a great way to build your email list is with a giveaway of product or service you could later promote to the loser of giveaways. And notice how this giveaway sign up form is via a lead capture page hosted at the link in their Instagram bio. Alright, so cross promotion is also a great engagement idea. And like I mentioned in the IFTT lectures previously, cross promote your Instagram handle on other social media networks and promote your Instagram username on other channels such as Twitter, Facebook and Snapchat, and have a sign at your checkout counter in your store that remind your customer to follow us on Instagram at handle as well. And influencer marketing is also a great idea for engagement, and that uses endorsements, sponsorship content and product mentions from influencers. And these are individuals who have a large or a niche social following and are viewed as celebrities or experts with high influence over their audience. So the biggest example of influencer is who demands hundreds of thousands of dollars per sponsored post because she has a large and faithful following that will buy nearly anything she promotes. So you can find potential influencer like with software like Upfluencer, Tracker or Green. So growing your Instagram account following and becoming an influencer for a specific niche is a great strategy for making money. So check out the niche skincare blogger, for example, on the next slide. And this is a micro you have to find a micro influencer in your niche, and then high engagement rate with micro influencer is likely to happen. And that was about the engagement idea, whether it was a cross promotion, it was influencer marketing which was mentioning, but this was all about the engagement. And I hope and I believe that after using all of these engagement idea, you will not only enhance the engagement to a good level, but I believe that you will enhance it at a greater level. So thank you so much for listening, and अब मिलते हैं. Let's meet in the next lecture.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.